criticisms was that driven didn't shift. Of course, that's a very valid criticism. We now have a fully developed wireless, everything inside of the drive shaft shifting mechanism. It's pretty cool. What we've done over the past 8 months is addressed a lot of that criticism and skepticism, and now we have the rideable version. Recently, under testing at the velodrome, we achieved 45 kilometers per hour. So that was quite an achievement to show that the bike is fully rideable and can carry rider load. We wanted to eventually create a 99% efficient drivetrain, a drivetrain that has 1% of frictional losses, which only consumes 1% of the rider's energy to transfer power from the pedals to the rear wheels. Over the last 10 years, the best drivetrain, traditional drivetrain out there is pushing 97%. So we're at 99.2%. The shifting mechanism of the driven is very novel because we use what we call a split pinion system. What we did that was novel and patentable was that we took the pinion and split it in half axially. So when one half of the pinion is engaged in the cog, is meshing with the teeth, the back half of the pinion, while it's not under load, slides, prepares to rotate into the next gear. Then as it rolls through, it engages the next gear, and that original pinion half, now it's behind the cog, slides over, and it's in alignment in the next gear over. The portion that shifts is never under load. So this shifting system can be shifted under full rider load. When we visited the wind tunnel, we wanted to test two different versions of driven. One was, we call it naked driven, and it did not have the contamination cover. And the next version was essentially driven with the contamination cover. The version with the contaminant cover was slightly faster than naked driven. However, naked driven was also faster by far than a traditional rear derailleur style drivetrain. The driven system, whether it's naked or with the cover, is still faster than a traditional drivetrain.